Yo, what is going on, everybody? It's 𝑵𝒂𝒓 here, back with another video coming to you guys with Instagram tutorial, and we're going to be going over how to get the best hashtags and to generate views, more reach, all that good stuff for your posts. So we're going to get straight on into it. This isn't going to be like a super detailed type of thing, with software and anything like that. This is going to be something you can do pretty quickly. And we're going to get straight on into it. So I'm starting up this new football page called Crafty Hurdles. So we're going to look for some of the top hashtags for this. So now I have a couple methods for you guys. And the first one is to look at some of your top competitors and see what hashtags they use. Now it doesn't even look like Best NFL Plays uses one. But we're going to go check out some of the people I do follow. So you can see here, this is a competitor of mine I just found. And his tags, I mean, they're interesting. He's got a lot of Odell here. They're okay. You can see he gets some good posts. Other times he doesn't. Here's another one. You can see these are pretty generic tags for the most part. We're going to check some of these out, though. Since we are a football highlights page, the first thing we're going to be doing is looking at just football. And then we're going to go to hashtags. So this is just the same thing for any niche. Say you're running the food niche, maybe run a specific food, build off of that pizza and go off of pizza hashtags. Pizza, excuse me. For example, do that. Just gonna kind of use the basis for whatever your main stuff is, and I like to do, because I think you can have 30 hashtags. I like to just find a good amount of hashtags and then just use them, the same ones for every post. That's how I do it. Other people maybe want to change it up and kind of make it more specific to their posts. If you do, that's fine. You're going to just need to do a little more research here. But you can see the hashtag football. You want to look for ones like under 100,000 generally. If you want to go for football, you want to try to rank on football, good luck. Football is also soccer, so it's not really going to work out too well. So we're going to look for some like football hits. This would be a decent one to rank on. It's got more actual not NFL, but real American football stuff. So football hits is a good one. Football highlights, you know what, I may put that one as like a hard one to get, but maybe we could get that one. So I'll put that one all on there. You can see football kits, like a lot of this stuff is for soccer. Look at like high school stuff, but we did see that football hits one. We saw the football hits one, so what we're going to do, we're going to put this in a new note, and we're going to put football hits, or hashtag football hits. Let's get the next one ready. I'm just going looking at NFL now and see what we can get from here. So we got NFL football. We could probably do NFL highlights. I'll throw that one on there. That one's not going to be a good one to rank on. I'll also throw football highlights on. And these ones are ones you're going to rank on if you have like a really good post that's popping off on all the other ones. NFL rumors is one that's pretty low. Obviously this isn't exactly rumors, but this would be decent to rank on. That's the top. These are the top posts. Recent ones. What do we got going on here? So we got, people seem to use this quite a bit though. So I got a couple more tags. These ones are a little bit better. They're not the greatest. NFL Plays. This one looks solid. It's nice. Under like 10,000. It's still being posted on quite a bit, but we should be good to go as far as using that one. So we're gonna go NFL Plays and NFL Rumors. Just going to add 𝑑K_Metcalf. He's an upcoming player, and I think it's going to be a good tag. I was going to use like Odell. A lot of people seem to use that in their tags, but there's just way too many posts being used to just hashtag Odell. So it's actually really hard to find tags for football. All right, now we're going to hit up the high school football and see if there's any good tags. So let's go high school football and switch over back to tags. See what we got. High school football. Okay, this one looks decent. So we go high school football game. These are a little bit longer, but we've got a decent chance at ranking on these. So we're going to add both this one and this one. So like I said, under 50,000 posts is definitely the best for you to rank on. Lower than that, depending on like how dead it is, so you can see, you go into it and see like how often people post on it with that hashtag, and you'll see if as long as it's being posted on somewhat during the day, you'll be fine. So you can see this guy uses a lot of different tags. Some of them are good, some they're not, like just Richard Sherman. Like, I don't know about that, but so now we're gonna head to the college football realm, and we got CFV playoffs, CFV picks. Let's see if we could find one that kind of relates. Let's go see if is what we're looking for. Yes, so we can go with one of those. Playoffs seems to be a good one as well, so we'll use that one. College football highlights looks like to be a good one as well. College football Saturday, college football edits. Okay. Oh, so from this selection here, we're going to go college football highlights, edits, and we will also go with college football season. Here's the list of tags we got. I'm not even sure how many that is, but that's a solid list of tags that should do well. And as long as you get the right amount of followers, which I'm going to be doing a cool video on this account on how to get 1,000 followers, active followers fast. So you're going to want to make sure you stick around and subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for that. Got some other cool Instagram stuff. I'm going to show you guys how to build a brand from Instagram on a theme page. Fun stuff coming out. Stay tuned for that. But this is a quick video on just how to get hashtags. So my hashtags rank better. So this is the strategy I use. Like I said, this can be applied. This is not just football. I'm not saying don't just copy my tags, because hey, I'm trying to grow my page. So don't go making your own page. But this strategy to find stuff like under 50,000. So if we go back to Instagram real quick. So like if I look at my pizza hashtag I said earlier. Now this is a little bit harder because pizza is a really wide thing, so you're gonna need to look for stuff. Maybe you expand your stuff a little bit and hope you can rank on it, or you're gonna need to be in like pizza place. You could do that hashtag. I mean, some of these I don't even know what they mean. Pizza homemade, pizza today. I don't know. You're gonna have to be creative with your hashtags, because people still do follow this stuff. And I mean, with 50,000 posts, that means it's still a poppin' hashtag to some degree. Now, if it's a million, 45 million, 49, whatever it is here, and you're not gonna be able to rank that high on it unless you're, top notch here. Some way this guy ranked on it. I don't know how, but he did. So I mean, the Instagram algorithm is really weird. You can definitely use some of those bigger hashtags, but you want to focus on the smaller ones and then sprinkle in some of those bigger ones as well, so that we can rank on the lower ones and then get to the higher ones, and then continue your growth through these hashtags as the post gets a little bit older, and then as well as the organically takes off through the explore page. So hopefully guys, this did help you out. If it did, drop a like, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.